Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing accounts and permissions. Sign into your Google account, open Analytics, and copy the GA4 measurement ID. In WordPress, install and activate Rank Math, then go to Rank Math General Settings. Once done, click the Analytics tab and choose to connect Google. Allow permissions when prompted so Rank Math can read your analytics data. This gets authorization in place quickly and moves you straight into configuration without delays. Next, you connect and configure data flow. In Rank Math's analytics settings, authenticate with your Google account, then pick the correct Google Analytics 4 property and the specific data stream that matches your site. Make sure you enable enhanced measurement and map key events like form submissions as conversions. You should also check user role permissions so admins see reports. Once these mappings are set, Rank Math will begin tagging pages and sending event data. Finish by verifying data and resolving conflicts. Open Analytics Real-Time and Debug View to confirm page views and events arrive from your site. If data doesn't appear, clear WordPress and CDN caches and test in an incognito browser. Make sure you do not have duplicate tags, disable other analytics plugins, or remove manual GA scripts. If problems persist, temporarily disable Google Tag Manager and retest so you isolate whether a tag manager or
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.